Hello viewers, I hope everyone is well and healthy. Today I am back with another video for you. In today's video, I will show you how to remove the bezel or faceplate of a DVD-ROM. So stay tuned. First of all, we need a James clip and push the latch to remove the bezel from DVD-ROM. Open the CD-ROM and here you see the very small hole. The James clip must be inserted into the small hole. Here you see the latch and we will press upon the latch, and here you see another one. Now I will press. So we need to take a hard metal object, like you can take a small screwdriver. A screwdriver is provided with the Kaddy. You can press with that. You have to press carefully with a little force so as not to break the lock. The lock is open. We will pull the bezel off like this. The bezel is open. You can see here that this is a latch as well as the main latch. If you open this, the rest will open just like this. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited from this video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.